In this video, I'll show you how to access the Discord password and security section on the Discord PC app in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to manage your login settings, update your password, review account security, or check important protection options on your Discord account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Discord guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Discord PC app on your computer and make sure you're logged into the account you want to manage. Once Discord opens, look down to the bottom left corner of the app, where you'll see the settings icon, usually right next to your username and profile controls. Click that settings icon to open your user settings menu. After the settings page loads, look at the left-hand menu and click on Account. This section contains your basic account details and related options. Once you click Account, the menu will expand and show more account-related settings. From there, find and click Password and Security. That is the section you need if you want to review your security settings, make account updates, or manage password-related options. And that's it. You've now accessed the Password and Security section inside Discord on PC. It's a quick process once you know where to look, and now you can move on to adjusting any account security settings you need. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.